In front of me is our 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access Notifications and Status bar. Then scroll down again, tap on Manage All and use blue switchers next to any apps to block notifications, or grey ones to switch them on. You can also go back, tap on any app over here, and then use this switcher next to Allow Notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!